In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Xiaomi. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on About Phone at the top. Following that, select Storage section. Click on Free Up at the bottom. Wait a couple of seconds and click on Clean Up over here. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my Xiaomi was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!